mandala is dedicated to Mother Earth. The earth is healing, and actually we can see the result. There is drop in pollution level in city. The air is clean, water is clean, the sky is bright, the stars are shining. There is so much to learn from this situation. We are understanding the value of freedom. Here, earth is having freedom from human encroachment. She is blooming, she is healing on all levels, she is smiling. So this mandala is my gratitude to the nature, to the Mother Earth. Painting is Warli tribal painting. It is depicting the village life of Warli people. Warli people are very simple, and their simplicity is depicted in their painting. Beauty in simplicity is the identity of Warli painting. Warli people live in harmony with nature. For them, earth is their god. Culturally, they are full of life and they celebrate life. They have gratitude for nature. I think we require this way of life in our current time.